Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Entar is the blockchain cryptocurrency that helps real estate. And here are 250 coins. To express our appreciation for your readership, the Corey Chambers team, soon to be renamed Entar Real Estate, has sent 250 Entar Coins, blockchain cryptocurrency, directly to the public. The way this works is the first reader, and only the first, to create a wallet and then transfer the cryptocurrency into their wallet gets to keep it. And here is the private key. This is the private key. This is how you take the cryptocurrency. This is a unique, fun giveaway. The first person who creates a wallet and transfers the 250 Entar coins into the wallet using the above private address gets to keep the 250 Entar coins. The question is, will it take 10 minutes for a reader to capture the 250 Entar coins? Or will it take 10 days, or maybe a lot longer? We will announce below when the 250 Entar coins has been taken, and then they will no longer be available because blockchain cryptocurrencies are transferred to a wallet that is protected by a private key, and that is kept secret, and it can only be transferred once. That's why cryptocurrencies can be used as money. The Entar Core Qt Wallet app gives full functionality. Entar Core Wallet app for Windows, Mac, and Raspberry Pi, and also offline paper wallet can be found at this link right here. The paper wallet, the online paper wallet is easier but less secure and less functional. The offline paper wallet is more secure. And here's the paper wallet instruction video. To win, transfer the Entar coins into your own Entar Core Qt Wallet app before someone else does, or transfer them to a more secure offline version of the paper wallet. So secure or transfer the 250 Entar coins right away. And here's a hint. If crypto is new to you, then contact the Corey Chambers team for assistance, and good luck. And if you did not win or you did not get the 250 Entar coins, don't worry, because we have a consolation prize. You can request 50 Entar coins from the Entar coin faucet by filling out the online form. Just click on this link right here to fill out the online form. So thanks for joining me. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for joining me about this discussion about Entar coin cryptocurrency. And we look forward to talking to you again very soon. Bye-bye.